This video is property of Numerix Global, which is a trusted partner for end-to-end financial process management, specializing in accounting, tax, audit support, and compliance solutions. We provide seamless offshore support to global clients with a commitment to accuracy, agility, and excellence in US, UK, and other geographies. Hi everyone, I'm your name, and today we are diving into tax planning for small businesses in the US. With tax season around the corner in 2026, smart strategies can save you thousands. We'll cover key deductions and proven tactics to minimize your tax bill legally. Let's get started. Tax planning isn't just about compliance, it's about optimizing your finances. For small businesses, this means identifying deductible expenses and timing them right. Remember, the IRS allows deductions for ordinary and necessary business costs. Pro tip: keep detailed records year-round to avoid audits. First up, deductions. These reduce your taxable income directly. Here's a quick rundown. Home office deduction. If you use part of your home exclusively for business, deduct a portion of rent, utilities, and internet. Use the simplified method or actual expenses. Vehicle expenses. Track mileage or actual costs like gas and repairs for business use. Supplies and equipment. Office supplies, software, and equipment under $2,500 can be deducted immediately via Section 179. For larger items, use bonus depreciation. Employee benefits, salaries, health insurance, and retirement contributions are fully deductible. Marketing and travel, ads, website costs, and business trips qualify. Don't forget startup costs, up to $5,000 deductible in your first year. Now, strategies to supercharge your plan. Choose the right entity. Sole props are simple, but LLCs or S-corps can offer pass-through taxation and self-employment tax savings. Consult a CPA for your setup. Timing is key. Accelerate deductions by prepaying expenses before year-end or defer income to next year if you're in a lower bracket. Retirement plans. Contribute to a September IRA or Solo 401 for tax-deferred growth. Deduct contributions now. Qualified business income deduction. Up to 20% of taxable income for pass-through entities, huge for service-based businesses. Hire family or use credits. Employ family members for tax advantages and claim credits like the Work Opportunity Tax Credit for hiring certain groups. Stay updated. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act provisions are evolving, so check irs.gov for 2026 changes. Tax planning empowers your business to thrive. Start implementing these today and consult Numerix Global for personalized advice. Like and share if this helped. Drop questions below. Follow for more tips. Thanks for watching.